Hello and welcome to ADTU Unplugged, a podcast series where the ideas meet the future. I'm your host Neha, and today we are going to deep dive into a technology that powers from startups to global enterprise. And we are talking none other than cloud computing. And to talk more on cloud computing, we have with us Dr. Nandkumar Kulkarni. Very welcome to you, sir.
Thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you so much. So Dr. Nandkumar Kulkarni, he is having 20 plus years of experience and he's also the HOD of the cloud computing department.
Yes.
So sir, could you please share your insights about this department and how it deals differently within the sector of computer science and engineering?
Okay. So in a cloud computing department, there are 37 faculties, 2 are postdoctorates and 19 faculties are PhDs. And other faculties have registered for PhD. So this department is unique in the sense that most of the faculty members are good researchers. Many faculties have published research papers in Q1, Q2 journals. If you look at the total citations of cloud computing department, then it is one of the highest in School of Computing. More than 4,000 citations we have. Then as far as the department is concerned, the faculty members are not only bringing the consultancy, they are doing the research projects, but at the same time they are guiding students in through their research, they are guiding students in the projects also.
All right, thank you so much, sir. So when we talk about cloud computing, while explaining it to the students, we have seen that there is a massive increase in the level of importance of this particular domain. So how would you explain that, how it has become so important and how it has evolved through these years?
Okay. If you look at the current applications in any domain, any sector, so right from entertainment, if you talk about Netflix or YouTube, or if you talk about the data storage like Google Drive or even Dropbox, or if you name the applications, the social platforms like Twitter or even X or Facebook, all are using cloud computing. So you just name the applications, they at the backbone, they are using cloud computing. And most of the companies are looking for a very low cost, efficient and scalable solutions. And that is the reason in the recent years, the cloud computing has emerged as one of the best technology. And it is expected that in 2027, there would be 27% hike in the cloud computing requirement as far as the job market is concerned. So this is a very emerging sector because of AI and other like AI and machine learning platforms coming up. So there are new applications which are going to get developed daily, which requires cloud computing at the backbone. And you can say in a nutshell, you can say that cloud computing is the backbone of this digital transformation today.
Very well said. So what are the latest trends that are happening these days in this particular domain?
So people are like earlier people were relying on one cloud platform, but in the recent years people are talking about hybrid cloud. So they just want to develop such hybrid applications wherein use of multiple platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure or GCP can be used. And instead of storing the data on the local network, people prefer storing the data onto the cloud, because anybody can have access to any data at any time from anywhere and at any time. Because of these four NEs, so people are preferring cloud computing nowadays.
You have mentioned it that it is a rapid change in this particular sector. What type of skills should a student must focus while they are preparing for cloud computing subject or cloud computing field?
Okay, so if you look at the curriculum of cloud computing, in School of Computing, the 4-year curriculum is designed in such a way that at first year the students are learning basics, all basic subjects and the programming languages, and in second year most of the subjects are related to computer science and engineering. Those are the core subjects, and the specialization subjects are from second year, fourth semester onwards. The students are learning the specialization related subjects. So I will suggest the students should understand the programming in programming part, and as well as they should understand the networking basics. So those who understand networking, they can be they can explore their career in cloud computing domain.
Right. So now we just spoke about the skills that the students must possess. Now, after completing this
Okay.
this degree, what career trajectory the students would be looking for, or what type of job roles they would be getting into after completing the courses in cloud computing?
So in cloud computing, if the students are if they complete this particular specialization, 4 years program, then they can work either as a cloud engineer or cloud practitioner, or they can even work as a cloud consultant, cloud architect. So there are many roles in the industry where they are suitable, and they can work in, even they can work in cloud, you can say machine engineer, AWS machine engineer also they can work in. So likewise, there are various roles where the students are working in.
Okay. So, what are the different industry certifications which the students will be benefiting if they enroll into this particular course?
So we have in School of Computing, we have a program called as Skill Builder program. This entire cloud computing is powered by AWS. So we have collaboration with AWS, and we run this AWS Skill Builder program, wherein the AWS, they have given us the licenses, and we assign those licenses to the students, wherein the students can learn directly from the AWS learning material, and then they can apply for certifications. Even we have an AWS Academy program where the students and faculties, they are encouraged for the certifications. Even we have various clubs also in our School of Computing, like AWS Cloud Club, and through these various programs, we encourage the students as well as faculties to undergo certifications, so they can they can become AWS practitioner, or even AWS architect. Okay, so such kind of certifications they can complete. So that is.
Okay, thank you, sir. Could you share a few success stories of your department so that our viewers can get motivated and inspired?
Okay, as far as AWS or the cloud computing is concerned, many students are taking part in the hackathons. Many students undergo certifications, and more than 80 students have earned certifications in AWS, and even almost all students are AWS level 1 certified. So
And are these certifications free of cost, or do students need to
yeah,
pay?
it is. Since AWS, we have the entire cloud computing program is in association with, powered by AWS. So they provide us the subscription, and it is free of cost.
That's
So
wonderful.
it is free of cost. The students, they don't have to pay for these certifications.
And what type of center of excellence or COE labs that you may be having for the students' development?
So we have in cloud computing department, we have a center of excellence, and that is Aneka Center of Excellence. And this Aneka Center of Excellence, it is in association with Manzarasoft. The Manzarasoft company, it is a private limited company. It is owned by Dr. Rajkumar Bhuiya. So who is, you can say, father of cloud computing. So we have tied up with Microsoft, and in association with them, we have a center of excellence, Aneka Cloud Center of Excellence, wherein students can build the applications, they can deploy the applications on the cloud platform, and they can even test and scale these applications. So for all these purposes, we are using Aneka Center of Excellence. And even this Aneka Center of Excellence uh, is like many courses. In many courses, the Aneka Center of Excellence is part of their practicals. So wherein the students are doing the practicals in the Center of Excellence.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. So that was Dr. Nandkumar Kulkarni with us. And while we wrap up this podcast series, ADTU Unplugged, what we can understand is cloud computing is not just a technology, but it is a foundation of the digital world. So thank you so much, sir, for being with us here today. And with this, we shall be having more insights on the new topic. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.